Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are discussing page number 27 and we will go through all the sifat and because it is related to sifat. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Az and za is among the letters which are neither in ashadda huruf or nor in التوسط. الشدة 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 and ashadda huruf are ajid qatim bakat, yes, ajid qatim bakat. And second category is tawassut, and this is Rukhawa, and tawassut, the abbreviation of the words are, tawassut is medium flow of sound, this is no flow of sound, and this is Lin Omar R, flow of sound, medium flow of sound, medium flow of sound. And other than all the letters, other than these Ajid Qadim Bakat, and Len Omar, any letter other than these will fall under abbreviation of Ashidda is SH. And here is a Rakha. Rakhawa is flow of breath. Flow of breath. This is medium flow of breath. Medium. This is a flow of breath. Or Rakhawa is a flow of breath and flow. Let it flow. And Ashidda is no flow of breath. Like the sound should stop abruptly. So let's see. Az, where za falls. Za is Rakhawa. And other than Rakhawa, it is a Safi letter too. So Safi, Safi are the letters which have whistle sound in it, and these are only three letters. This is Sin, Sod, and Za. These three letters, whenever these are with Sakoon, will get Safa of Safir, and Safir is a whistle sound. Actually, in this Za, there should be a buzzing sound into it, and plus Rakhawa. Rakhawa is a flow of sound. Az, like Z, yes. Az. For Kasra, give E sound and attach with Za, is. There shouldn't be a snaky sound. It is Z. It's is. Some people say it like is. Some Z and S sound, mixed sound. No, it's is. Uz. The sound should be in a Z position. For Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch it, Za with Sukoon, your lips should be in a normal, natural position. Uz. This sound should be there. Look, this is Rakhawa, so the sound should flow. And this is a Safi letter, so there should be a buzzing sound in it. And this, the buzzing sound is like Z sound for Za. Yes, remember. As. Yes, Sin falls under Rakhawa because this is not part of Lenomar, this is not part of Ajit Qatim Bakat, so you will give it a flow of sound. So we'll write capital R, and it is part of Safi letters too. So it will have a whistle sound. As. They should be a very snaky sound. S sound there. As. look, the buzzing sound is a very different from this snaky sound, right? So I'm giving you these tips because it should be there. The za should not mix with seen. This is as, and this is us. And look how different this sound is. As is, the sound should flow, and it should have Safi sound, the whistle sound. Is, us. For Dhamma, circle your lips very well. As soon as you will touch seen, your lips should be in a very straight position. Us, us. What saw this? So this is a heavy letter. Yes, it is part of خص تنقص. So this is heavy. So you will lift your tongue up to say this to make your sad heavy, but you will not circle your lips. And other thing is sad has a flow of sound. So it is under the category of rakhawa. As. It is heavy. You're lifting the root of your tongue towards your palate to make it heavy, and you are not stopping the sound. So this is rohawa. As. Yes. Us. For lam, lam, where lam falls. Lam is under the category of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. So you're not stopping lam abruptly. You're not saying al, and you're not saying al, because it is not rakhawa. It is tawassut. So you will give it a medium flow of sound. Al, that's it. Il, a medium flow. Ul, for Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon as you will touch sukoon letter, your lips should be in a normal, natural position. Yes, and where un falls, yes, this is part of tawassut. So you will write capital T, tawassut. So you shouldn't miss it. And medium flow of sound. In medium flow of sound for noon. For kasra, you are giving very nice E sound. In, un. Okay. Ra, where ra falls, this is part of tawassut. And ra will be heavy here because before ra with sukoon you find fatha. So when there is fatha or dhamma before ra with sukoon, you will make ra heavy, and heavy ra sounds like this. And you're lifting your root of your tongue towards your palate to make ra heavy. Here ra is light. And it is getting tawassut definitely. And this here ra is heavy because ra with sukoon has dhamma before it. This is tawassut. Ta. Ta has hums. Hums is a flow of breath. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters whenever these are with sukoon will get sip of hums, and hums is a flow of breath. It's not flow of sound. It is something very different from flow of sound. It is flow of breath. Ats. Yes, you are right. You asked that this is part of a shidda. Yes, you are applying shidda at first. You are giving at, so you are not able to hear it. But when you are giving a flow of breath, it is hearable. Yeah? At, at, it, E. Give E sound and give flow of breath. It's on ta. Uts. Good. Dal. Yes. Dal the same way. It has a shidda. Yes, you at first you are applying shidda, but the final quality of dal is qalqala, because this is part of qalqala huruf. Ade. Ade. Id. Give E very clear sound. Id. Ud. And for to, To is a heavy letter. Yes, definitely. This is Qusato Tinqis and it is getting Qalqala too because this is a Qalqala letter. Qalqala letters are Kutubu Jaddin and Ta is one of them. So this, yes, you are right. This is part of Ashadda. You are applying Ashadda first, but to make the Ta hearable, you are applying Qalqala at the end. Ato, Ako, Ito, Oto, and S falls under the category of Rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. F, F, E, and you make sure you engage a right makhraj, and makhraj of tha is when you are touching the tip of your tongue under the frontal two edge of your frontal two teeth. If give e sound and for kasra and give rakawa on tha. If uth, good, and then Dal is the letter which will get Rafawa. There should be a flow of sound and make sure you engage a right makhraj, and makhraj of Dal is same like Tha. And Dha will get sifa of Rokhawa and it is a heavy letter 2, so you will write capital H2. This is Al. For heavy letters, you are lifting your root of your tongue towards your palate, and for Rokhawa, you are not stopping the sound, you will keep on going. Al, Il, Ul. Can we go for the town? Yes. Okay. Should I? Yes. So I should remove my drawings because it's getting mixed. Okay. So Ba is among Qalqala letters. So you will bring Qalqala on it. Ab. Ab. Yes, you are applying a shidda for the first, and then you're applying Qalqala to make the Ba hearable. Ab. Ib. Ube. Meme is among letter of the wasut, and the wasut is a medium flow of sound. Im, circle your lips for dhamma. For every dhamma, make sure you circle your lips. As soon you will touch meme with sukoon, your lips should be in a natural, normal position. Aw, ay. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد. السلام عليكم.